Hey guys, it's Julia. Welcome back to A Girl and Two Cats. So usually I don't, upload 2 videos in the same week. But this week, was Valentine's week, and then tomorrow, which is Saturday, excuse me. Sorry about that. I have a photo shoot. So I thought, hey, it'd be okay to film both of them. I have to get up super early tomorrow because I gotta do my hair and my makeup. My friend Jessica's gonna come over and do that for me, and then we will start doing the shoot probably about 7 a.m. So but yeah, I'm gonna go to bed now, so love you guys. See you in the morning. Bye. So it's 5:30 in the morning. I just woke up, and Jessica is on her way to work on my hair and makeup for the photo shoot. Oh my god, I'm so tired, you guys. I'm so tired. Are you tired? What time did you set your alarm?
5.
Oh, see, I woke up before my alarm, and I was like, oh, I gotta get up. And then I kind of just laid there, and I was like, I gotta pee. So then I was just up.
Yeah.
Oliver, are you getting your makeup done? He's like, what is this? What is this? What is this? My makeup, we gotta do my lashes at the end, and my lip color, of course. We're gonna do my hair. I haven't seen my makeup yet, so I'm waiting. I'm kind of nervous, but I'm kind of excited too, so yay. It's so early though. I'll probably just, if you weren't half asleep, I'd have you hold, or if I had a tripod, I'd do a time lapse. But she's doing my hair, yay. I'm so tired and dead inside. You knock over my cup? There's nothing in there. Hey. 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 You knock over my cup? He's now looking at it like, what have I done? Oliver, you are so fat. Oh my god. Hi there. Hi, handsome. Hi. I'm a bird, y'all. Look at Aurora. She's like, what the heck, Mom? It's too early for this.
Oh, she's sweet but a psycho, a little bit psycho. At night she's screaming, I'm on my mind. Oh, she's hot but a psycho, so left but she's right though. At night she's screaming, I'm on my mind. She'll make you curse, say your blessing, she'll rip your shirt.
My feathers. So we just got done bouncing with our photos, and now I went and got some McDonald's because photo shoots make me hungry. Well, everything makes me hungry, but it's hard work. So the videos will be, the pictures will be on Instagram probably sometime next week. I'm gonna eat my fries and my food. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. See you guys next week. Love you. Bye. Mwah.